pass will return. Here's Cartwright over to the left side. The shot and score! What a beautiful feed from Homich to Artur Laukaitis. Comes out to Adamczyk, speaking of, and a shot redeflected in for the goal. McKechnie.
And the Avalanche are calling for a high stick there. And this is going to be reviewed by all the officials.
Johansson on the other side, 2-on-1. Johansson scores! Short-handed goal! Flip by Cooley. Crossing, Laukaitis up in the sock drawer for the score. Second shorty of the night.